The carbon neutral targets set by nations have become an unstoppable global trend. Taiwan is speeding up to keep up with the global pace and finding new opportunities in the global race for carbon neutrality.
The valuation of carbon that we have discussed in the past are being implemented through policies. At present, many companies worldwide have already implemented the carbon pricing concepts internally. I think the key is the mindset. That is, unlike the past, it is no longer just corporate social responsibility. It has turned into a competitiveness that has changed the whole policy process.
LCY has continued to invest in green product development to reduce dependence on hydrocarbon resources and used a commercial approach to reach a balance with environmental protection. For example, our biogenic succinic acid is made using corn syrup as its feedstock. After microbial decomposition, the chemical product created is called succinic acid. It's 100% biogenic. The biggest application for this biogenic plastic made downstream is the coatings inside paper cups. In the soil or in the ocean, they can be 100% decomposed. It means returning to nature for the earth. Another critical application for biogenic succinic acid is shoe material. Internationally renowned sneaker brands are all hoping to incorporate biogenic succinic acid into their shoe materials. This would achieve carbon reduction.
Carbon neutrality and circular economy are originally two novel trends. Now they have been combined and actually reached a synergistic effect. As I have just mentioned, our interventions by creating more biogenic materials enable their final carbon footprint to return to nature almost entirely. I think they are excellent examples. In a lot of our manufacturing, new concepts such as vehicles sharing, furniture sharing, and the sharing of various products are similar to that of the circular economy concept. I think it is critical to extend the materials' life cycles.
We have another critical circular economy product, which is our semiconductor chemical called EIPA. The EIPA waste liquid from the wafer manufacturing process used to be directly incinerated in the industry. Our EIPA can be recycled for double circulation application. First, the used EIPA is distilled and purified back to same-grade products to be reusable by the semiconductor industry. Second, the used water is also extracted. After distillation and purification, it's reused by our plant internally. So, as I've said, not a drop of resource from Earth has been wasted.
I feel that both the academia and the industry must continue the efforts because the data is telling us that the weather is getting hotter. 40 degrees Celsius may become the norm in the future. The materials of the past need to withstand the new temperature norms or the high temperatures, so they may also pose new challenges.
LCY has set its Kaohsiung Nanzi R&D Center as the circular economy R&D base in Asia. Now our green products account for about 10% of turnover. Their rate of growth is the highest among all our business units at about 23%. The talents and investments of the R&D Center are key milestones for our circular economy development.
In this carbon neutral race, LCY at the upper stream of the value chain is actively using scientific innovations to explore new ways of resource utilization, turning a crisis in the eyes of others into new opportunities to provide sustainable circular solutions and achieve prosperity in both economy and environment.